If you want to make a lot of money online quickly, I recommend watching this video all the way through because I'm going to show you the quickest and fastest way to make money online today. In today's video, I'll show you a brand new website that accepts payments by PayPal, bank transfer, and other methods. No, this is not an online survey, so you will definitely make a lot of money on this website. Also, this procedure is much simpler than you might believe since it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing and you don't need to sell anything to make a lot of money. It makes no difference where you're coming from because this website is completely free worldwide. So, regardless of where you are in the world, everyone can accomplish this. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. This is a brand new website that we're going to be using today. You can read it here that you can cash out your money once you reach the $5 threshold. That is pretty easy if you follow all the steps in this video. So, for step number 1, I want you to go on google.com and be ready to search for something online and pick any category that is showing on your screen right now. There are a lot of categories that you can pick on this website. Step number 2, let's search for some free courses online depending on the category that you pick. Just search on Google for the keywords free online courses or free courses and a lot of results will show up. A lot of free platforms offer many free courses online in different categories. For example, let's search for free business courses. You can just explore the different platforms right here that offer different free courses. For example, this one right here. You can see on this platform that there are a lot of free courses that you can acquire. Don't worry because you don't need to go to all of these courses and you don't need to promote this as an affiliate. You can just use this platform called a futurelearn.com. Step number 3, once you find a specific course for some category, I want you to copy the link to the course so that people can go on this platform easily. The next step is I want you to open a blank document on Google Docs. You can just type in like this. Congratulations, use the links below to get your free business courses in all caps. Then just paste the link of the courses that you copied earlier that will look like this. The next thing we're gonna do is we want to save this document on your computer and I'll show you that now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Okay, so just click on this file option right here and then select on download. After that, you can choose between Microsoft Word or PDF file. Then it'll automatically be saved onto your computer. Okay, now let's move on to step number 6, and I want you to go on this website called dlupload.com. This is the leading platform for making money by uploading files. This is a platform that will make us a lot of money. This website works in all countries and also have a strong security system. They have unlimited speed and free storage that you can use to upload your files. You can upload your files up to 100 gigs of free storage and they will pay you for doing that. They have a very low payout threshold as well. Once you earn $5, you can easily cash out your money. You can cash out your money on PayPal, Payoneer, and different other payment options. This website is very user-friendly as well, so you can do this without any experience. You can read it here that this is available worldwide. I know right now you're probably wondering why they're gonna pay you. Now, they will when you upload some files here because when you upload some files, you're gonna get a free unique link. And when people click on that link, they will land on the page where there are ads, and this website earns from those ads, and that they will be sharing it to you for driving traffic on their website. Then, the person that clicks on your link can skip the landing page and just download your file. This is very amazing because they don't need to buy anything or spend any amount for you to earn money online. With that said, right now let's sign up for a free worldwide account on this website. Just click on the register button right here, then input the information needed on this page. Then click on the next button right here. Then input the information needed again on this page and click on this complete button to finish it all up. After that, they will send you an email like this one right here. Just click on the confirm email to get started. The next step is once you log into your DL Upload account, just click on this upload file button right here. Then upload your file. Now they will give us a special link and I want you to copy that link. For the last step, you can now share that link with different people all over the world so that they can upload your file and you can earn a lot of money. The best website you can use today is visited by millions and millions of people from all over the world every single day. This website is called Answers.com. Answers.com is very similar to Quora, where many people around the world go on to ask questions and answer some different questions from different people. Many people search on Google for different questions and they have a chance to stumble on this platform where they can see many answers to their questions. You can just paste in some of your answers here on some business questions, then insert the link that you got from DL Uploads. Just don't spam your link and provide some good answers as well, then insert your link at the end of the answer. These answers right here on different questions stay forever, so you can just set this up once and you're all set. I also recommend you to select the categories that you can see here on the side, and that's how you're gonna earn money on this method. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.